All right, YouTube, welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. I am your host, resident day trader, and your brother in the struggle. The name is Hassan, and we're live. It is Tuesday. Left my watch. Oh no, my watch right here. Watch is on the charger. Tuesday, May 21st, and I don't know. SPY is below yesterday's close. And looked like it tested yesterday's low. Actually, it went lower than yesterday's low. So, I don't know. But you know, things happen in pre-market, and then a few minutes later, we're making new highs. So, who knows? Just got to sit back and be patient and see what the market gives us. Lowe's had earnings. Good earnings yesterday. There's the open. What's up, Ben? Good to see you. Lowe's had earnings, Macy's had earnings, and AZN, AstraZeneca, had earnings, so I got those on watch. Olu, what's good, brother? BTC is up over all-time highs, so I have coin on watch. And I needed one more, so I put Apple up. I was kind of thinking of MU for a second day, but it gapped down a lot in pre-market. So, I don't know. We'll see. Free Pony Pond. What's going on? Good to see you guys, man. Yeah, so just going to try to be patient and see which direction the market wants to go today. And if I see something good, I will attack. And if I don't see anything, I'm just going to chill out and hang out with everybody in the chat. What is that? Settings. Skip those. Huh. Boy, AZN with a really nice narrow range opening candle. That really makes me just want to take the break over that thing. That AZN, that type of setup is really nice to me. I think it's worth an R. 77.89. Let's not do that. I really like this, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna let it show me something first. But my gut is telling me to get on that. There's one for the gut. A little less than an R of risk. So stop below low of day. What's the range on this thing? Not that much. PSNY. Let's check it out. Lots of volume the last few days. Huh. I don't know, man. There's not really too much data here on beneath where this price is at right now. It's way down there. I mean, you'd really have to just base it on the lows. I mean, if you wanted to consider this to be the bottom and try along, I would just put my stop under the low, you know, but it's kind of a YOLO play to me because there's no support underneath. But I mean, I like this volume that's come in, maybe signaling the end of the move down, but I mean, there's no support or anything except for the whole dollar of $1, you know. So yeah, I don't know, man. It's the cheapest it's ever been, but there's still a whole nother dollar left for it to go down. BDRX. You sniping this one already, Ben? Look at that. We almost had 1R on our AZN trade. Bob the Pond Killer in the building. That's such an aggressive name, bro. Bob is back. All right, Microsoft just popped up to pre-market highs. We are at 1R on the AZN trade. Man, AZN, bro, this 2-minute opening range breakout. Man, I've seen these forever, and I just never catch them. A narrow range green candle on super high volume plus catalyst. That's like a great entry to take. I've seen it. Don't be mad at me, Ben. I promise I've it's in my mental playbook. Why did I enter AZN? This narrow range candle right here. Typically on these candles, whatever side breaks is the direction it's going in. And so I put an order over the top, and it's working out pretty good so far. We shall see though. Low 83, we'll go right there. Man, what a nice position to have on that bad boy. Okay, Apple's making highs now, as did Microsoft. Apple just ran away. I don't know if Apple's gonna create an opportunity that I would like to enter in on. But Microsoft, I kind of like what it's doing here at pre-market high. You guys see my pre-market prep stepping up a little bit. I got the pink line for the pre-market high, and I got the yellow for yesterday's high. I like this this over. Yeah, there she blows. I like that, but you know, let's wait for the breakout and pull back. Yeah, I'm trying to step it up a little bit, Pond. Let's see, VLD. I got you, Benjamin. VLD. Man, I think I'm kind of seeing your strategy here, Benjamin. Cheap as hell with the most potential for upside. I got you. um, I like breaking over the top of high volume candles like this. So like over 22 would be a cool spot. Stop under 19. So you could like do an entry at 23. Well, I don't want to tell you to enter the trade, but I do like reverses in the opposite direction over these long volume, these high volume candles. And then you have this other test to this same level, 19 right here. So you kind of got a double bottom. Yeah, I mean that's that I see that. I see why you would be interested. Definitely a pop back to 30 is I would say highly probable. 50 cent, you know, is not unreasonable. I don't know how long that would take, but yeah, I mean, if it goes up from here, I think this long candle, this little volume that came in here, you know, might be a AZN. Oh snap! Oh snap! AZN over pre-market highs. Where we going, AZN? Let's see. Ain't got much of a range at all. It's actually about done for what it usually does. But this is an earnings move, so hoping for a little bit more than usual. Man, I don't know if 3R on this puppy would be reasonable at all. 15 divided by 60 cent. 53. I think that's a reasonable move right there. Oh, look at Microsoft. Interesting. Kind of liking that one. Kind of liking that one. It's about a 50 cent stop. It's gonna run off before I can get there. You dirty rat. Sheesh. 5. Cancel that order. All right, AZN, what we gonna do here? Can we get to the $half? Boy, Microsoft really fell off. Look at that. SPY is actually not doing bad. Sheesh, what is going on with Microsoft? Thing looks like GTBP. Speaking of GTBP, like it's getting some legs back. Anything can happen. Yeah. What's it gonna be, AZN? It would be super awesome to hold pre-market highs and then actually get some sort of volume in this thing. There we go. There we go. Yeah. High is 27. Just tap that. I think what's all time? Is this all time highs? Yeah. Previous high was 77.94. We are cruising over all time highs. Testing pre-market high. Well, not pre-market high, but high of day. All right. What's MU doing today? Not bad. Huh. I'm kind of liking MU right here, to be honest. That gap down is kind of atrocious, though. Second day after catalyst. 2603. All right, I'm in MU. think that was a pretty nice entry there. We'll see how it plays out. Uh-oh. High of day is 40. Just touched 37. Wow, look at this volume that came in on AZN. Just what I was looking for. Where's the movement? Look at this volume. Where's the movement? That was new high of day right there. MU made a new high of day as well at 44. Previous was 40. I'm gonna risk a couple more pennies just to 48. Let's see how this goes. It's looking a little sketchy already. This could be ending volume right here at the high of day. But my stop, my position is way below VWAP. Honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and secure break even on this because come on, man. If it drops that far down, thing was garbage. Google. Ooh. Okay. Yep, I like that right there. Let's see here. I don't know. It's got some proving to do. That 5 minute looks nice though. That 5 minute looks really nice. Yeah, I see what you're seeing there. Hourly too. Let me see if we get a higher high, higher low retest on that bad boy. Let's see. I think I'll swap that out for coin. Put Google up here on the old watch list. On the old watch screen. Alright, AZN. Look at AZN, man. What a beautiful trade. There we go. Keep it moving, man. Keep it moving. Come on. Only need about 10 more pennies out of you. Wow. Oh, Lou, tell me you got in Google. Please tell me you got in Google. That 5 minute setup was glorious, man. Sheesh. Bruh. Tell me you in at least 177, bro. Alright, we are up 2R. Hey, my man. We up 2R on AZN, AstraZeneca. MU still trying to figure things out over here. No problem with this entry at all. Feeling great about that. Looks good on the 5. Stop up below that 5 minute candle. I think we're having a good morning, folks. I think we're having a good morning. Hey, you guys, hit that like button for me too, please. Man, MU with the second day catalyst. Where's HH, man? He'll be proud. Playing the catalysts. High of day 38. Come on, man. Let's get to that $50. Let's get to that $50. New high of day again on AZN. 8 cents or 9 cents from my take profit. 8 cents off the high. I don't even have MU up here. Swap that out for Macy's. Okay. Microsoft working its way back up. 41 on AZN. $42. Man, this might be an all-day holder right here, y'all. This might be a cancel that take profit order and move the stop up to 2R. But let's just bank some wins. This thing really doesn't have much of a trading range, and that's a pretty big candle for it already. There's 42. Nah, man, I gotta get to the target. 44. Ooh, we getting close. Yeah, I'm not gonna get too greedy, Pine. Just let me get to 47 and I'm out. Come on, 3 more pennies, man. Come on, I know you want that whole dollar. I mean that half dollar. Come on. You still in Google, Olu? Uh-oh, MU looking sketch. What was that? Oh, man, I gotta take this call, bruh. Hey! We made it. Took slightly less than 3R because I wanted to have my take profit beneath the half dollar instead of, I think my 3R was like 60 cents or something like that. But yeah, man, that is a dub. All right, MU's looking a little shady over here. A lot shady, actually. Yeah, maybe that was just a little too much pressure from the top side. Stop losses at 125.48 on this one. Take profit. Olu got your stop at 177.5. You mean 176.5 on your stop loss? Take profit 179.5. Yeah, buddy, you holding that thing today, huh? All right, MU. This how we gonna play it. I'm not being greedy. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Oh, my bad. I keep forgetting that we're talking about 2 different tickers. I got you. Man, that was a nice little 5-minute joint right here. was nice. Dun dun dun. Lowe's is doing nothing. Apple too. Yeah, I've been watching Apple, man. I had it up. That little dip to VWAP was probably the only chance I would have had. Yeah, I saw that, Pine. I was just about to pull that up. Look at the high. The high is 78.47. Top tick that bad boy. Sure did. Man, I'm glad I got filled. Wow, Google is going off. Meanwhile, MU is over here acting like he ain't have good news yesterday. Yeah, that was nice. For sure. I think we'll be okay if we can get back over 126. This is SPY. The VWAP's moving up. And if I actually had some room on this thing, I'd probably try to add over this. But I do not. There we go. Back over 126. See if we can make this a 5 or 6 hour type of day right here, man. There we go. Man, that Google move is amazing. Nice catch, Olu. Whew. These days make you feel bad for being on punishment, trading $5 risk. That's all good though. I think I'm gonna stay in punishment till the end of May for sure, and I'm only coming out if I'm. Actually, I don't know. I probably need more than that, really. Took my first and only trade of the week on Pan W. Depend with long or short. What's up, Ellingford? Man, that's a nice setup on Pan W. It gapped down this morning. Didn't it have bad earnings or bad guidance? Man, this was a very nice trader right here, man. Dang. I should have had it up just because of the news. I totally would have been all over this right here. All over that. Yeah, bro. I see that. Nice work there, sir. That's beautiful. Tesla. Oh, wee. Yeah, I don't see a way in for me on Tesla. Unless you bought this thing. That thing is moving though. Wow. Yeah, that's nice, bro. Huh. I mean, even though it gapped down, it pretty much trended up all since yesterday's low. Yeah, I don't even think I pulled it up. I should have pulled it up. Nah, I agree with you, Ellingford. I definitely agree. I'm just of the man, what a nice trade. Hey, MU. New hive day on MU. We looking good. Past 1R. Got a ways to go though. Got about another $1 to go to target, which I don't think should be a problem. Well, I don't know. It might be a problem. I hope so, man. I sure hope so, Pon. AZN kept moving. Yeah. Very nice. Microsoft is back over just tested high a day. Double topped high of day actually. And now is holding pre-market high. Yeah, I've had a green month before. When I thought I had it. That's when I thought I had it down. MU is turning out to be a beautiful trade. And Microsoft is coming down possibly to an entry zone. I don't know, this red candle is getting a little aggressive. 682. Show me, bro. I've done Zoom calls with a couple people, man, that just wanted to pop in and show love, man, and show me some charts and show me a little bit of what they do. I'm here, bro. Me and my guy HH sat on the Zoom for about an hour on Saturday, man. Had a nice little time sharing ideas. Me and Olu jumped on the Zoom. You know. I am here and open-minded. Just not ready to buy a course. What you about to say, Bob? Alright, I'm going to tighten my stop up a little bit to 59. Alright, we're just a few pennies away from 2R. I like this 5-minute action over here. Yeah, I don't know. The course game has such a I don't know, a con feel to it. Especially just as high as the turnover and fail rate is for this. Man, Apple and Google were some stocks to be in today, man. That is for sure. Bob then figured out the other way to make money in the stock market. Selling the courses. Right. It's a trap. We're gonna be like, where's Pond? I thought you guys were partnering up. Man, Apple is killing the game. AZN is killing the game. Come on, MU. You can do it. You can do it. Ooh. You into anything this morning, Pond? I was really hoping for a way into Microsoft. This ain't too bad right here on the 5 and the hourly. I'm probably done after MU. I really like Microsoft though. But I really wanted it to come back down here a little bit. Oh man. My estimation of AZN was a bit tight. Look at that thing go. Yeah, I like Microsoft. The hourly and the 5 is looking pretty saucy. Yeah, it is. It's a little back and forth, but I mean it's steadily moving up. And you look at, you can just trade it on the higher time frames. It's definitely got resistance up here at 428, but that probably would have been worth a shot. Really wanted it down here though, closer to VWAP. This would be buying at the top of the range, which I don't want to do. Yeah, this yellow line I got right here is previous day high, and pink is pre-market high, so it's definitely building on itself. Just not quite the perfect setup for me anyway. I need to kind of build something around, pre-market high breakouts and retests, previous high day and such. Yep, there she goes. There she goes. Thought about it. Fun to watch though. All right, MU over 127. Let's go. We are at 2R, so I am moving my stop to break even. Although it feels kind of tight for the way this thing's moving, but I mean, if it drops a whole dollar from here, we'll call it done. Come on, MU. High went to 33. That's nice. Kind of got slapped down, though. That's not bad, though. It's not bad at all. Where do we go from here, MU? Yeah, Microsoft was a nice play. Definitely going to have to sit through a pullback to get to 3R on this guy. Yeah, Microsoft breaking out on the hourly, the 5, the 2. That was too much confluence to pass up. I think I should have jumped on that one. Pond, you still short? You calling it quits when the SPY gets above yesterday's close? Uh-oh, there goes MU. Come on, baby. I don't need too much more. 41. 44, 45. Come on, come on, come on. Don't even do me like that. Don't even do me like that. 45. 2 pennies from my target up here. Jeez. Don't even do it. Okay. As long as you got your line in the sand, bro. Now I feel like this thing will pop and keep rolling. Whenever it starts consolidating under my target, I always feel like it's a good sign that it's going to keep going higher. But this is a practice in not being greedy and just taking my 3 R's. Could sell half. Wow, AZN went on ahead to the... I really wanted the 79 on AZN. Which I probably would have taken 78, 89 or so. Which, boom. Yeah, with a catalyst like that and breaking over all-time highs, you probably got to give that thing a little room to run. But it's all good. We're not getting rich on one trade here. Especially risking $5 a trade. We are just greasing the system. Yeah, I shouldn't have been a scaredy cat on Microsoft, man. Oh man, I'm gonna have to wait for a pullback. Thanks, Pon. I did, man. I did my pre-market DD. Was reading the news and reading articles and stuff, and found AZN, and MU was from yesterday's news. Had Apple up, but just couldn't really grab an entry. Come on, MU. We don't have to pull back like that. Yeah, man. Appreciate you guys. I'm risking ideas. Yeah, hey, bro, it's going good right now, man. I'm feeling really good. Just really had to slow down, man, and stop gunslinging and throwing R's at everything and just be patient. Yeah, there we go. Is that 2 for 2? Man, that is 2 for 2. Man, we're feeling good today, yo. Small risk, but if we look at it on R's, I am up about 6R today. 6R is a wonderful day for sure. You talk about my green screen moving. Winner chicken dinner. Hey, we in the game today. Yeah, for sure. For sure. This is definitely do this for a while, man, and stop being so in such a hurry to get rich, you know. Just get used to the system, trade the system, build strong habits. Yeah, I'm done, man. It's over. It's a wrap. I'm closing my level 2. I'm just hanging out with you guys now. 2 trades is good, man. 2 trades is good. Yeah, I definitely think MU is going to keep rolling, though, but it's all good. I think both of these I probably could have taken out a little bit and let the rest ride. But I really want to build habits of just taking 3R. Just taking 3R out and being happy with that. I mean, there's definitely going to be some times where I'm going to partial out, but definitely getting to 2R and moving my stop to break even and getting to 3R and taking at least some profit. That has to be the move at all times. There's no more. There's been so many days where I have 4R on the table and I'm just looking at it, waiting for it to go higher, hoping for it to go higher, and literally closing out minus 1R on a 4R banger, man. My journaling app is YouTube / TradeZilla. I use TradeZilla. Export my trade data out of Sterling and import it into TradeZilla, which I've actually been slacking on. But I feel like my data the last couple weeks would have been skewed because I was kind of jumping around, switching to the 5-minute, not really knowing what I was doing. But yeah, AZN and Apple pretty much like the same entry. Could have done right here. This pull back to pre-market low. Well, not necessarily pre-market low, but a level that had been tested a couple times in pre-market. And yesterday's close, little indecision candle on high volume. Didn't really have too big of a range. Yeah, like a 30, 25 cent, 30 cent range on it. Oh, that's just Notepad on Windows Notepad. But yeah, like this little play right here. Only reason I wouldn't like to take that on Apple because Apple usually trades crazy. Apple and Tesla, like they're known to go really big swings. But when the opening candle is high volume and it's condensed, I've noticed it's a really good play to whatever side it breaks. And then you can just put your stop under the low or the high if you're going short. But it has to be a narrow range enough move to make it worth your risk. Because if it's like the first candle's like $2, I mean, a wide range compared to how it normally moves, and it's not really a good play. But like this little narrow range guy right here, man, that was like, oh yeah, I gotta buy that. Gotta buy that. Look at that thing, man, over 79. I got half the move. uh, MU still rolling too. Yeah, I think MU goes up to try yesterday's close. Ah, cool day though, man. Needed this. Oh man, needed this bad. Needed this bad. Go. Let's see. What was that, Olu? 179.5. Man, you almost there, bruh. 24, 23. That next move up should get you there, Olu. Hopefully. This is a pretty nice move up. It still looks good on the 5 too, man. This really looks enterable right here. Oh man, I didn't even have my little P&L up like I usually have. My bad, guys. GTBP. Thing is dead. I don't know. I never really have much to think about these type of stocks. They're just, really volatile movers. Apparently, there's a science to it, but I don't know. To me, it just looks like wildness. I got out. Yeah. Yeah, I ain't mad at you. It looked like it's hanging up right there. You had to sit and hold that thing all day just to get 25 more cent out of it. Ooh. Man. Yeah, that's nice. Nice little hourly breakout right there. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. This is a great one. It stayed above that opening range the whole morning. Just came back down and tested it. You could have got it right there, stop under the low, and been cool. Yeah. I think it's going to go. But you really got to. Sometimes I've waited an hour for 10 cent, you know, for it to move up 10 more cent to my target. And it's just like, how much is that 10 cent really? I mean, it's worth for your stats, you know, for your trade journal that it went to target. But for time, it's just, man, you got a serious thing about Netflix, huh? FSLR. What else? Lowe's did absolutely nothing today but sell off. Man. Bruh. Nice, Jonathan, man. Where'd you enter the short position at? I mean, anywhere in pre-market, you'd be winning right now. Nice trade, man. Man, nice work, Jonathan, getting to the bag, man. Well done. That's nice. Yup. Some real good green today, man. And over an R's worth. Yesterday was like point 1 R. What GPU I got? I'm running on a MacBook Pro. So what is that? Apple M3 Max. I don't know if it tells me my GPU details. Yeah, actually, before this computer, I built my own PC. Um, it was AMD PC. I can't remember what GPU I had. Was it a 5600 or something like that? It was pretty cool. I actually ended up giving it to my son because he wants to be a 3D modeler. No, I'm running Windows on Parallels because my software only runs on Windows, so I'm running Windows in a virtual as a virtual machine. Yeah, that's why you just run Windows on top of your Mac, and then you can run whatever software you want. And it does it pretty well. The other day, it was last week I was lagging a lot, but I think it was just because of this overlay indicator that I put on my charts. I think that was the whole thing that was lagging everything. Because basically that thing is moving with every second. Every second, every move the spy makes, it's adjusting itself, and then I had it on every chart. It was too much. But yeah, I needed a PC that I could a computer that I could take with me, and so laptop was the way to go. And I've been a Mac user for a lot of years, so it was gonna be hard for me to get a Windows laptop. Although I really enjoyed my PC that I built, I thought that was really nice, gaming and all that good stuff. Man, look at this Microsoft trade that I punked out on, man. Ah, I punked out. I was gonna take it over 427.75. Right here over this 5 minute candle. And it was an hourly breakout too. Yeah, that was a nice one. Wow, it's rolling up with the spy, bro. I always forget to look at the spy. The spy is amazing. That Elden Ring is very impactful. Man, yeah, the spy is great. It's a great time to be long. Only thing pulling back is Apple. I'd be disappointed to be holding for that. Google's kind of a weak mover, yo. This entry would have been about a 30 cent stop. 177, 176.79 up to 177. So like 75%. Elden Ring, man, I like video games a lot, but it's so hard to find guilt free time to play it unless it's like in the middle of the night. Because every time I play video games, I always feel like I'm neglecting something else. My wife actually just bought me a PlayStation 5, which like blew my mind. I shed a tear on that one, man. I did not expect that. So I've been playing Call of Duty quite a bit lately. Man, I think Google's ready for that next move up. Apple too. I gotta allow myself one gunslinger trade a day. That would have been Microsoft. Although, I mean, this really is a legitimate setup. It looks like a good trade. Sitting here. Yeah. Wow. I like that three pony. Researching these processors, market research, gunslinging. You know, Pond, like when you're like when you get like dialed in and you can just see the market. You know, like you get there's a zone you can get in where you can just like see the move, like this Microsoft play. Y'all heard me talking about it. I felt like it was gonna go, man. But you know, it's not the perfect setup. But I mean, it's not a terrible setup at all. You know, broke over, retested high of day, over pre-market high, and then it starts consolidating right here. Then you have this great candle on the 5 minute and this candle on the 1 hour. Like there was a lot going on for this trade. I really should have taken it. Yeah, but like I just don't trust it yet, Pond, because I've been trading like a scrub for the last 2 weeks. So I need to, I want to dial it back in and just focus on the good trades. And then, you know, when I graduate a little bit, when I re-promote myself, you know, I'd like to take some of these trades where it's just a gut feeling, you know. Yeah, I'm definitely it's been a cool last 2 days, man. It's been a cool last 2 days. I did have those two regrettable trades yesterday, which I'm still regretting today. But I think they helped a lot in me realizing when I'm trying to make a trade after the move has been made. Like where Apple is right here. Like if I missed this whole move right here, I would be trying to catch this bounce off of VWAP right here. But you know, this was a nice move. I missed it. It could bounce and keep going up higher. It really hasn't moved much, and it looks like it's got a little bit of room. Not really. Not really. It's got all this stuff in the way. I've kind of been having a theory though of flipping to the 15 minute after like my first session, like maybe after 10 o'clock, flip everything to the 15. Oh, you just got in that move on Apple? Yeah. It is nice, man. I mean, it's basically retesting the highs at 192. Um, but I don't know, man. I'm trusting that midday, that mid morning bounce less and less these days. And I'm afraid we might be about to find out why. I hope not, though, for you. It might hold, man. What's this high? 191.97. Yeah, I mean, if it breaks, what's VWAP? 93. Yeah. Maybe the deepest I would let that thing roll is like 87 or something. Yeah, that thing's about to roll over. Okay. Might be alright. Yeah, I would have wanted to give it a little room to test through to this level. I think 80s would have been a good spot for your stop. But we'll see. You still in there, Olu? Oh wait, yeah, this is Apple. Definitely a tight moment right here on Apple. And the SPY is like way extended. White sale. I don't know what white sale is actually. What is white sale? It was close, yeah. Ooh, I don't know, bro. Ah, man. Out, yeah. Yeah, you gotta get out of that one. Yep. See, this is where I want to be at, man. This part of the move right here. Once that move has been made, this little back half catching the bounce and all of that. I don't know. Maybe on a 15. Like, that's where I'm thinking maybe if I flip to the 15 and catch a little narrow range joint. I think it's a good level, though, but it's actually a great spot. You just might have timed it wrong. Dang, did his comment disappear? I didn't know you could remove your comment from the live chat. Let's see, white sales. White sheets, maybe? I don't know. I can't find anything. Wash sale? Oh, okay. Huh. Now that's a lot better candlestick to trigger on right here. I think I'd have to at least see something on the 5 though. This was actually not a bad 5 candle, but seeing it trade through VWAP and get bought up is a little better. Oh, wash sales. I don't know. I would assume so, but I don't know. I haven't gotten to that point where I haven't crossed that bridge to concern with wash sales. But I would imagine, yeah, that's what I was thinking. I mean, you just kind of get your data, your tax sheet from your broker, and then I always thought that was something you would do on your own with how you file your taxes. Yeah, Olu might have jumped the gun on that one. Wash sale rule prevents taxpayers from deducting losses from wash sales, which are when a security is sold at a loss and then a substantially identical security is purchased within 30 days before or after the sale. The rule's purpose is to prevent investors from abusing tax benefits. If you sell a security at a loss and buy the same or substantially identical security within 30 days before or after the sale, you won't be able to take a loss for that security on your current year tax return. That's still kind of a mind bender. Yeah, I don't think that has to do with your broker though. I think, or unless that's something that they keep track of for you, if that's what you mean. I don't know. I haven't ever dabbled in that. All right, now Olu, it's looking kind of interesting with this 5 minute candle right here. Now it's looking interesting. I know, man. Pon, the taxation situation here is ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. Like the amount of times a single dollar gets taxed. Yeah. Like, bruh, you go to work and you get a paycheck, it gets taxed. Then you go to the store to buy something, it gets taxed. Then you buy some property, you pay sales tax on the property. And then in Missouri, every year you have to pay property tax if you want to continue owning it on your property, on your house and your cars, mobile homes, etc. And if you don't pay those taxes, they will take your property and they will sell it. It's a lot. And then, like, okay, you go to the grocery store, you pay taxes on it, and then the grocery store has to pay taxes on all their profits. Wow. I don't know, man. I think with the right accountant, you can get out of anything. I really believe they got the tax law set up so that you don't have to pay taxes. Come to Algeria, you never pay a penny in taxes. I know some people who've moved. There's a YouTuber I've seen who relocated to Puerto Rico. I think they don't have capital gains taxes. And then I think maybe Florida or Texas is also a good spot. Man. Oh, Lou, what'd you do, man? Did you get back in? Yeah, you got to be way more picky on that afternoon, on that late bounce. That looks pretty solid right there. You did? Nice. Nice. $192. Oh man, that's what's up. That's perfect. That's perfect. Man, I hope you get that thing back up to high a day and beyond. I would just be worried about the short leg bounce. you know, this being a long leg downtrend, and then you see a short leg uh, bounce, and then it just continues down. So might be semi aggressive with my stop loss or taking profits. Yeah. Hmm. I don't know. I can do a quick little search. I don't know if the ST Global sell. They don't have anything on their site. It doesn't look like. When you sneeze, the stream shut down. When I sneeze, did I sneeze? Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button for me. Appreciate you guys. What's your target, Olu? High 29, 25. Or did you jump out? Man, Apple was actually a really nice setup on the hourly. Just ignore pre-market and just trade that little nice pullback. All right, right on. Wow. Oh, okay. Man. Microsoft is the no trade of the day, trade of the day. The no trade of the day. Sheesh. I like my pink pre-market line though, and yesterday's high. It didn't give me the confidence to jump in this thing, but I can see how it could have. No more trades. Yeah, I've been done. It's been over. All right. That was kind of my first checkpoint for you right here, Olu. Not that I'm over here counting your money, but I wanted to see you get over that little high right there. Just broke that. I think 50's pretty good. Huh. Hey, what's up? You better be there. You can't deduct your loss if you're same position within 30 days. Which means, yeah, I'm done, man. I'm not. I closed. I closed my level two, man. I'm done. I got no intentions to do anything. 2 for 2. Got 3R on both trades. I'm very happy and contented. Feeling accomplished. Feeling patient and disciplined. I'm cool. Now I'm just rooting on Olu. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Can't deduct my loss if you're same position within 30. Well, I guess maybe the reason I haven't run into that yet, traders, because I have yet to have any gains. I haven't even I have yet to make a withdrawal, so I don't have anything to pay taxes on. 50 cent a stack. You selling at the whole 50? Bruh, 43, 47, 48. You ain't got to touch 50 on the dot, man. Just get close. Right underneath it. 47 is my go-to. Here we go. Oh, yeah. 49. Yeah. Something like that. Got 43. We sweating for Olu. Now I wish I had my level 2 up just so I can see. I'll just read the tape. Hey, Signature Trading. What's going on? All green, yes, sir. It feels trivial being such a small amount, but it's actually pretty good trades. Pretty sizable profits for risking $5. So technically, if you had one green trade, that would require you to pay taxes, even if every other trade was a loss. Huh. There's 45. Little volume came in there, and then we kept moving up. Yeah, I can't imagine that thing not hitting 50. Man, so now I gotta learn tax law or trade tax law. Don't do that. There we go. Man, tons of volume on this thing. Or tons of trades coming through. Look like most of them are one share. The quality of the trade is most important. Yep. Yep, you right, Signature. You are right. And these were pretty... MU was super nice. You out. I ain't mad at you, bro. Is the 5 cents, 4 cents worth the agony of sitting there? Oh yeah. Man, Ellingford came in here flexing on Pan W. He killed that thing. Man, it would have been nice to get in Pan W down here somewhere. Real nice. If only I had the chart up. I gotta remember, even if it's bad news, pull the chart up. That gap down don't mean anything sometimes, man. Gap down big and just trade it up the whole rest of the day. What'd you do on Pan W, Signature? Started with the bounce. The first try was red. Yeah. Oh, Lou. Yep, there's your 49. But nah, I ain't mad at you at all for getting out. A little bit late on Pan W. Got caught up in that pullback. Yep. Yeah, this candle change on the 5 was a nice entry spot right there for sure. $307.38. Oh yeah, he was up there a little bit. Right in here. I got you. Then you stopped out and got right back in. Yeah, Apple looks great. Looks great on that 15. Oh yeah. Right off 192. Apple at 1020. Oh yeah. Yeah, top of the range, man. Top of the range. That's good. Going for that red to green move, huh? That's good. Wow, there goes Apple. Yeah, Apple looks really good. Man, if it has a day like yesterday, well, it's already. Yesterday was about Almost $3. Ah, man. Can I pull up Wix? Man. Oh, wow. Really? How? Man. What a buy down here at 120. Imagine. Yeah, this type of stuff make me want to get into swing trading right here, man. Catching these type of moves. Yeah, I was thinking that too, Olu. It's really nice setup on the 15 on Apple. And this color change candle right here on the 5 was. I'm impressed at you for jumping right back in, bro. That was definitely the right move. Didn't let that first trade scare you. It's hard to do sometimes. Oh man. It happens. Yep, exactly. Bro, I've taken mad re-entries off of that rule, bro. 84% rule, man. Get right back in. I've had hella trades where the candle that stops me out is like the best entry candle of the day. And you just got to get right back in, man. Right about the idea, wrong about the timing. Is that new high day on Apple? Yep. Sure is. Man. Yeah, Apple is rolling. Yeah. Olu signature picking up what you left on the table, man. um I'm not really looking at much else, man. I think Microsoft might have another move in it. I'm curious to I think maybe back to this level, 428 level might be a decent entry if it comes back down there. But yeah, Apple. I think Apple was the move, man. MU might be setting up for a re-entry. It looks decent on the 15. Kind of testing that previous resistance area, 127.50 ish. Wix. Actually, yeah, I don't know. What's that? 72.42. Yeah, that's not bad. This looks like a pretty clear line right here. Oh man, what did that? Okay. Yeah, that looks like a pretty clear line right there on Wix. Just started a new 5 minute candle. That's not the best looking candle I've seen, but this isn't too bad. What's the hourly looking like? I don't know. Come on. There we go. 170.41. Yeah, this ain't a bad got a higher high right here, higher low right there. It's almost a double bottom, but it is a higher low. Yeah, I don't know. You would be 57, 79, 80. Oh, really? Yeah, that might be the. It's really moved a lot though. But oh yeah, look at that. Huh. Man. I wouldn't be mad at myself if I tried that right in here. I think he got a legitimate thesis for the bounce. At least up to 174. Getting in now would be chasing, in my opinion, though. Unless you wanted to take the break, which is reckless. But I like MU on the 15 right here. Yeah, I think that was a pretty decent bounce on MU. Excuse me. Yeah, that's real nice on the 15, in my opinion. Over 128.20. Yeah. Yeah, MU is very bullish. MU had an upgrade yesterday. So second day off the catalyst. Yeah, not a bad setup on the 5 either. You got the 5, you got the 15. Yeah, I don't know. Too much guesswork to me at this time of the day, man. Hey, what's going on? Good to see you, man. E46. It's a good day, man. Drop down to $5 risk, but close to 3R on both of these. Went on them options. Man, I know y'all be killing it over there on those options. But yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with the equities, bro. I'm gonna stick with the equities. I gotta get my consistency up anyway before I can get anywhere really. I can't afford to risk anything at this point. It's definitely fun daydreaming about getting to where I'm risking $100 a trade or $250 a trade, shooting for 3R. Like, talking about some money. Start approaching that never work again money. Gotta take these baby steps though. Yeah, I'm feeling good. This has been a good couple days this week for sure. I think I'm getting a little bit better at picking the right stocks to watch in the morning. I think this MU trade over 128.20 though is I think I'm gonna do a little paper trade on that. I don't know. It's not really at that great of a level though, but I think it looks good. Actually, it looks great on the 15. So 128.21. Yeah, I know the downside seems to be where it's at. Yeah, I hear you, man. I had to signature. I was losing like ridiculous amounts of money, and it was definitely affecting 127. There's my paper trade, which just triggered entry on MU. Um, minus 120, 57 cents. $1.71. That'd be quite the move up. It's really moved quite a bit today, honestly. Target would be 129.92. Oh yeah, that would be that'd be my whole account signature. I'd be out. I had to open up a GoFundMe for my YouTube channel. Did Microsoft bounce right there where I was looking? Microsoft strong. All right, let's see this MU paper trade. Make some of that paper dollar. Oh man. Man, I messed around and let my wife subscribe to my YouTube channel. uh, so she knows. You seeing them red days like what's going on? Nah, she's been really cool. Yep, there goes the micro. Wow, look at the SPY. SPY new high of day. This is really great. Nah, I don't tell her anything, bro. She's on a need to know basis. Nah, she does ask me, and but I've never been like, man, I lost $300 today. I've never said that, but I'll definitely share my wins. If I have a bad day, it's like, so how'd you got to go on the market today? Oh, it was all right. uh, yeah, bro, that's what happens. I start having a bunch of good days, and I'm sending her screenshots of my P&L, and then she don't hear about my trading for a few days. Like, so what's been going on? Oh, nothing. Oh, you're out, Apple. In the green, though, right? Just gotta leave a note. Yeah, exactly, man. Just keep it out of the conversation. Just surprise her with a when you get that big payout. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I think I'm testing volatility gaps. Tell me about it. What time frame we talking here? Man, I gotta fly in here. Hey, that's what we like to hear around here, signature. Oh wait, here we go. Hey, small green folds too. All right, 5 minute chart on Apple. Where's the gap though? Volatility gap. So is that like dealing with volume then? Oh, oh, okay. So you talking about like this move up right here? Tops and bottoms of the candle. Okay, so you talking about on the higher time frames then? Oh no. Might have to jump in the Discord E46 and drop us a dissertation. I've heard a lot of gap fill concepts. I've definitely seen some correlation. $10.55 to $11.05. Bruh. I'm about to have to. Top of the first candle is less than the bottom of the third candle. So, I mean, so you just ignore this candle? Hmm. So what are you pulling from that, bro? I'm about to have to go crazy on over here. I think it's bouncing already, Signature. It's a nice higher high, higher low right here on the 5 minute. Top and the bottom. Top. Okay, so this other gap you talking about is this guy and this guy. Pulled back to that one. Huh. Yeah, I'm. You know, my favorite spot is VWAP too, but if that thing comes back down to VWAP, that's too much of a retracement. Like, what's taking the buyers so long to want to step in? For sure. All right, Pine. Appreciate you, man. Thanks for hanging out as always. Wow, Microsoft is going back. I think my MU paper trade is getting ready to stop out. Didn't really have a solid enough. Richard. What's up, my man? What you into today, Richard? You trade anything? Man, look at that Microsoft, man. Microsoft was definitely the no trade trade of the day. Oh my God. I can't believe I didn't trade Microsoft. I had a catalyst and everything. And sat there and looked at it. Man, Microsoft is crazy. Yeah, bro. It's been a good day, man. Man, Microsoft. Man. Microsoft was my #1 stock this morning when I got here. The first one I put on my watch list. I should have been all over this right here. I talked about it, but you don't get paid for talking. Right there. Entry there. Stop there. Bing, bong, boom. 3R all day long. Ooh, had a pistachio go down the wrong pipe. Wicks. Fair value gaps. Yeah, I've I've heard a lot about those. AZN is back to VWAP. Um, yeah, I mean, I like this level. I like this level right here. Trying to think. I would probably want to put my stop below VWAP though. I don't know. I like this volume on the way down right here. Back over 172. I mean, you could play that if you're willing to risk another R. Yeah, I'm done for the day, bro. I don't really want to play the backside of the morning. I want to play that first move up, and then once all the pullbacks start happening, I've not found myself to be consistent in that mid morning bounce. Sometimes they're super clear. Like if you got the level you want, like if it's at VWAP and a high levels of support, and it looks good on the 5, and it looks good on the 15, then yeah. But like the later in the day, the more confluence I need to see. Cause I don't know, just picking these bounces to VWAP, I don't know, man. I see Apple coming back down to VWAP. AZN is actually creeping on back down. That's been such a great mover. First time really coming back close to VWAP since the morning. Yep, SPY's pulling back too. Yeah, I'm not once you get all this price action throughout the range, all these buyers and sellers that have poured in, it just gets a lot harder to predict, in my opinion, in my experience. What little experience that is, but I like the fresh momentum and price action of the first part of the day. Yeah, SPY is done. Lunchtime is in 15 minutes. Yeah. Microsoft ain't care about none of that though. Man. I think with me being more diligent in building my watch list in the morning and populating it with things that have a really good reason to move up, I think I can start to have more confidence in taking these kind of trades where it's not like the picture perfect setup, but I can see price building on itself. I can see support. It might not be the prettiest setup, but you can still see what levels you can play off of, which I thought was pretty clear on this Microsoft trade, easily over 27.75. I still remember it from earlier. So, yeah. I don't know. I thought one day, it'd be cool to trade all day, just chill out, wait for those perfect levels. Yeah, I think that will play a big part too. Those higher time frame levels, when you start seeing those come into play later in the day, that could give you a little more confidence. But I definitely think after like 10:30, it's time to switch to the 15-minute chart. Yeah, Microsoft is the no trade of the day. I got the very bottom of the move on AZN, but I did not. I did not capture. I got like at least a third of the move. I probably got a little, almost half of the move. But hey, 3R is great. Yeah, I was looking at Apple too. I was liking where it came back to. But now it's got this lower high, lower low. I would be and we kind of got a double top situation here. What is that? 9260, 9265. I don't know. It is a higher low in reference to taps to VWAP. But yeah, nothing I would feel super confident for my trading style. Nothing I would feel super confident in. I would, if I wanted to get back in Apple, I would want to see it make a higher high above this area and then come back down and pick me up somewhere. Man, I'm sure happy to see SPY doing what it's been doing the last few days. It's kind of consolidating a little bit. What's this? Yeah, actually yesterday's high hasn't been touched yet. Yesterday was 531.56. No, my max risk per trade. So each of these trades I risk $5, between my entry and stop. Ideally 3R, negative 3R would be my max loss. So if I took 3 trades and lost all 3, then I would be done for the day. But I really think 1 or 2 trades, man, is probably going to be what I'll get. I mean, every now and then, the market will be on fire and my whole watch list will be throwing setups. Yeah, $5 per trade. But yeah, I was risking $25 a trade, which would have made a day like this pretty awesome. But I was getting killed on my bad days, man. I was in a huge slump and it was just like pouring money out the window, man. So I had to I had to put myself on timeout and recalibrate myself. Yeah, 3 trades max, man, really. The days I'm trading more than that, I'm usually red days and me making bad decisions. Went ahead and took that Apple trade. I ain't mad at you. Yeah, it's set up nice on the 5-minute for sure. It's set up nice there. Got a higher low right here. Might be alright, man. It's gotta be right under 192. Will Microsoft stop? Bro. I know, man. Is that ATH? Oh, yeah, that's all-time highs, man. Man, it had such a good catalyst. I can't believe I was being scary. 192.42. Huh? You mean 191.42 on your stop loss? Okay. Oh, I got you. Yeah, that's the part I was kind of worried about. It's all right. It ain't bad till it hits your stop. Only thing I'm worried about is this little downtrend right here. Hoping to see it break above that for you. Yeah, for sure, Richard. I don't think that'll be a problem at all, bro. Yeah, Apple's not really a huge mover, but yeah, actually, I'll send HH a email real quick. Man, I wish I would have thought to draw this trend line first before you jumped in there. Oh yeah, for sure, bro. I'm absolutely down for that. Man. All right, this might be the moment right here. This is the make or break moment on Apple. Dum 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 dum. Shoot, I already been to the gym this morning, bro. went and did a nice little back day. Some pull-ups, some pull-downs on the cables, some wide grip pull-downs, and some deadlifts, and some hammer curls. Lost 1 pound of water. This is gonna be it right here. This either the trend to break or the breakdown signature. You hit today yet, Richard? I feel very accomplished today, man. I got to the gym early too, man. A lot of times I'll be lagging. Got to the gym at 6:15. Got out of there at 7:15. Was at the office by 7:30, 8:30 market time. Chest day. Man, I ain't had a real good heavy chest day in a while. I've been doing a lot of cable work. I think I might have to throw some plates up here in a minute. All right, if it makes that lower low, man. $192.02. Yeah, bro, I was feeling a twing in my back doing deadlifts this morning. I stopped in the middle of my third set at like 5 reps, and I was like, you know what? Let me put this down, man. Yeah. I mean, bro, I would just have my stop loss right there, like 190, 199. I mean, 191, 97 or something. But honestly, if it breaks 192.02, that's a wrap. But this could be the trend. This could be the trend line break right here. So don't jump out too soon. But I would definitely have my stop loss tight at 192, right under 192. This could be the downtrend, the trend line break right here, though. SPY is at VWAP, and yesterday's close was beneath yesterday's close. Here we go. Yep. Ooh, SPY look like it wants to drop. See how Apple feels about that. That's a good sign. See, now you add to it. Bam. Yeah, that's what you wanted to see right there. See if you get some follow through. Might come back and test that line one more time. But I gotta remember to use trend lines. I don't never think about trend lines until somebody else is asking about something. But when I'm getting ready to trade, I don't never think about trend lines. AZN looks good for another move up. 192.23 is your entry. Look at AZN looking good on the 15 and the 5. There you go. Yeah, so you just needed to wait for that higher low. That higher low to come in. We'll see though. Not out the water yet. Honestly, I might have had that trend line a little too tight. Yeah, bro. Just keep that stop tight. Yeah, Apple probably coming back down to the close. uh, yeah. SPY might be bouncing right here though. Still hasn't broken. Did it make a lower low yet? Yeah, 192.01 right there. There's your official lower low. Yeah, it pretty much just bounced off that trend line. Ooh, yeah, that's a wrap, bro. That's a wrap. Man. There goes MU, though. MU looks great. And AZN. Possibly Google, but I don't know. Google's kind of weird. If you don't get Google off that first move up, I don't know what to think about Google. But I thought MU looked great on the 15 right here. This guy right there on the 15. That's pretty. Nice narrow range. Narrow range doji candle right there at VWAP. Yeah, that's all to the good. Right here around this resistance level. All to the good. Oh, man. Signature. Signature. I think for sure when you hunting that bounce, you drop to the lower time frames and you see these lower highs, you gotta be real cautious, man. And I mean, it pretty much, it hit this trend line to a T and bounced down. So yeah, you gotta watch that. Tesla, that's the game for sure, bro. That's why we manage risk. Pushing profits. What's up, man? Let me pull up Tesla. Whoa, okay. This is a nice little setup on the 15 on Tesla. This 5 ain't bad either. Yeah, could definitely take that. What time was that? 11:30, 11:40. Oh yeah, man. You in Tesla, Olu? AVGO. Man, that's expensive. I like the 5 and 15 though. Do the same thing to this guy. You done? Yep. Yeah, MU is a nice bounce for sure right there. There goes Google again. Oh yeah. How you finish up, Olu? I know you caught some nice stuff. Taking a couple of them. I know you caught Google, or was that Apple? All right, signature. Yeah, I'm about to get out of here too, you guys. Appreciate you guys hanging with me and trading with me today. Nice day, up 6R almost. 5.6R on the day. Um, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe. We got the Discord link in the description if you guys want to join us in the Discord, throwing ideas back and forth, charts and all that good stuff. Um, yeah, there you go, Olu. We could jump on too, man, if you want. Um, yeah, but that's it for me, you guys. Look out for that review video. Otherwise, I'll check you guys